Are you looking for me?
Yeah, just out from the toilet. The makeup table. Why not go over and...
Yeah, we will use it later.
Yeah, when we go
set, we will.
When we go to the club later tonight.
Yeah,
sure. We're gonna do it, yes. What is this? We don't know. Theater guys. In obscene positions. What is this? It's day 4 and Tom has just arrived in a motorcycle dress. While Eric and I have been playing at a wedding, prostituting ourselves for money,
playing some music,
playing Creedence and some other stuff, and some drums and bass song Eric have made with some rap inclusions. We're now going to check what Don and Tom did yesterday. I don't know what this song is called.
Lost Again.
I don't think it's... Yeah, LA. This is the LA song, yes.
Tom, måste lägga om versen. Jag glömde ju den här. Och på basen.
And the first thing Don tells Tom when he's coming happy to the studio full of life is, you must redo the verse because the bass drums doesn't do what I like it to do. And when Don says so, we get nothing but to obey his orders. Don have been working to 3:30, no, 2:30.
Så hänger det på som det är här.
You hang on and boom to part 2 and be with there.
Berätta det.
My baby love. Now everybody, we got a visitor here. From Canada, right?
Right.
From Canada, the land of rock.
Time for the Nightingale.
Yeah.
Play a tour.
Back the home country of Backman Turner Overdrive.
Yeah.
That's important stuff. And Rush, and Gordo, and April White, and Pat Travers, and God knows what.
And Neil Young, and Brian Adams.
Oh.
Yeah.
Brian Adams I buy, Neil Young I kill.
Why don't you come do a tour with Rush?
Yeah. Anytime they want us to play in Canada, we're there, dude.
You're welcome in Canada. Just give us a call.
Thank you. We are working on this track, basing time.
Lite, alltså den rundan här är lite på. Vi lägger om den.
Eric is on.
Lite mjukare. Den första rundan. Ja. Lite mjukare.
Enjoy your trip in Sweden.
Oh yes.
How long are you going to stay?
In Sweden?
Yeah.
I don't know, a few days and then head over to Finland and kind of just do my thing, you know. Going to many festivals, so.
Oh, Finnish festival. Tango and stuff? Accordion, mosquitoes, drunk people,
that's quite
Russians, Winter War. It is one of the best tracks on the album. Tom's showcase in groove. Where is Tom? He's here. He's back. And he's riving the drums. Because he's through with his work. He's been at home all day. Doing his hike. How is it, Tom? On the next album, he want to play shuffle only. Say it again, please. Shuffle is gay.
Nightingale recording session continues.
Oh my god.
Don't say anything. I've lost 9 Swedish kilos since the last filming. How about your stomach?
We're building a song booth. Don't try this at home.
Studio SOS. Sound. This is because when Eric's gonna sing, we can't stand the side of him. So he's gonna be hidden. Besides, we only see his nice ass.
There's gonna be some ghost vocals.
This is what Dom does at home. On the fields of life. Fields of life.
Jesus Christ. Well, bye for now.
Reasons to stay.
Eric doesn't know his own lyrics, and you can see he's in the shame corner over there.
Give me reasons to leave, turn around and walk away. Give me reasons to stay.
Yes, okay. Are you satisfied, Eric?
Yes.
You did 3 wrong takes.
Yeah.
And now you're going to pay the penalty for
It's
it.
difficult words. Stay or leave. Stay or leave. Lives, stives, lives. Crash. What?
It's about Eric's and my relationship. You don't know if we're going to stay or if we're going to leave.
No, we're going to die.
Oh my God! That was 4, 3, 4. Vi tar och provar hela gången. Jag kör. Jag tar. Jag kör. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Try never make the reason alright.
En gång till.
Try to never make the reason alright.
Baby, I rock and roll. 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 Oh, yeah. Hello, everybody. You may wonder why we have 2 acoustic guitar. Because we need a 12-string and we can't afford one, so we have 6-string on that one and 6-string on that one. Together they make 12. You hear?
Ah, very nice.
It's very interesting. We cheat a bit. This is high string. This is low string. This is a rock and roll.